What's up, gang? So today we are going to discuss bend rule. It is a very recent rule. It was discovered in 1961 and officially modifiedly published at 2015 by Henry Bent. You guys know it. It was made for TBP, trigonal bipyramidal. For example, see PCl5 sp3d is gonna make 5 bonds, so TBP, you distribute the chlorine. Now, as of for PCl3F2, which is going to be the correct one? We don't know. So basically, the quick thing is that lone pair will go to equatorial position, whereas higher electronic atom will go to axial position, as sp3d is actually sp2 plus pd. This is the sp2 one, and the up and down are pd. So pd, there are elongated, it is a bit longer length compared to these one. So the this axial bond length is greater than the equatorial bond length, so these are further away from the central atom, whereas for this one it is closer to the central atom. So when it is heated, this will come out easily. So when heated, these axial first get removed, so this axial will get removed first and PCl3 will be formed like this basically. And now ClF2, so fluorine will go in the axial position, whereas the lone pair will go to equatorial position, as the lone pair likes percent as character. So yeah, as of this is the seesaw shape. If it is SF4, stuff like that, pretty easy. Now let's move on to the modified bent rule, pentagonal bipyramidal. So in the modified bent rule, orbital having more space has higher percentage. Here the planar one, where the six fluorine are residing, the angle is 72 degree, whereas the up one axial one, the bond angle is 90 degree. So the axial has more space. If it is a more space, the lone pair will go in the axial position, so it is basically flipped. You guys can use your brain, just stability. Lone pair will so lone pair here, the lone pair went to the angle of 120 degree. This is 120 degree, where this is 90 degree. So lone pair will go to the equatorial position compared to the axial position. Equatorial is more fair, but in this case the bond angle here is 90 degree. The more space is in the upward direction, so lone pair will go in the upside direction. That's it. That's bent rule. You guys can read it if you want.